Welcome everybody. Today we are going to use the triangle sum idea of the sum of the angles, interior angles of a triangle adding up to 180. And we're going to use the idea from that and solve for x in these problems. So in this case, x plus 40 plus 85 plus 60 heads to add up to 180. So I have the three angles of the triangle adding up to 180. X plus, let's see, 40 and 60 is 100, plus 85 is 185, equals 180. So I have to solve for x by subtracting 185 from both sides. X is -5. And that's what we're asked to do in these problems. Let's take a look at another example. Here, remember, 90-degree angle, so 7x plus 55 plus 90 equals 180. If I add up like terms, 7x plus 145 equals 180. We're going to subtract 145 from both sides. 7x ends up being 35. And when I divide both sides by 7, x is going to be 5. So far, these haven't been real difficult. So I'd like you to try this one on your own and see what you get for an answer. Now that you've unpaused, let's see the work. 4x plus 140 plus 20 equals 180. 4x plus 160 equals 180. Subtract 160 from both sides. 4x equals 20. Divide both sides by 4. X is 5. Some people actually look at this and they could see right away that this angle had to be 20 because when they added those in their head and subtracted from 180, they knew it had to be 20. But doing it out is a good way to make sure you don't make any simple mistakes. Give this one a before I tell you to give this one a try, we are going to not just find x, but we're going to find the measure of angle A. Now, angle A is this angle. So we need to find x and then plug it back in and simplify and solve for what angle A is. So x plus 79 plus 64 plus x plus 45 is 180. So that's adding up the three angles of the triangle. Now this one's a little different from some of the others we've seen because there are two different sides or angles that include a variable. That's what I was trying to say. I'm going to add the three positives along with 2x, so 79, and then three numbers, 64 and 45, so there'd be 18, 188. Okay, I'm going to subtract 188 from both sides. 2x equals -8. Divide by 2, x is -4. Well, if I come back over here and fill in -4 for x, 64 and -4 make 60 degrees, and that's the measure of angle A. Let's try this one. 5x plus 10 plus 5x plus 90. Equals 180, all three together. 5x and 5x is 10x. 10 and 90 is 100 equals 180. I subtract 100 from both sides. 10x equals 80. Divide by 10, x is 8. Now once I know x is 8, I can fill this in. 5 times 8 is 40. And that's how many degrees angle A is. Because there is angle A. All right, give this one a try. See how you do. All right, let's see how you did. So first I had to set it up. 8x plus 6 plus 11x plus 41 equals 180. Then I combined like terms. I got 19x plus 47 is 180. Subtract 47 from both sides. 19x equals 133. Divide both sides by 19, and x is 7. Now that still doesn't give me the measure of angle A, so I have to plug it back in here. 7 times 8 is 56 plus 6, and 56 plus 6 is 62 degrees. And that's the measure of angle A. All right. Last but not least, give this one a try. Find the measure of angle A. Remember, you're solving for x first. All right, let's see how you did. 9 plus 3x plus 8x plus 4 plus 90 is 180. Now some of you are very bright and you know that if they add up to 180 and one angle is 90, you could just say these two, the smaller ones, add up to 90. I didn't do that here, but you could have done that. You could have said this angle plus this angle equals 90, but let's do it this way so we're consistent. 3x and 8x is 11x. 9, 4, and 90 is 103. If I subtract 103 from each side, 11x will equal 77. And then I divide by 11, x is 7. Plug in 7 for x. Final answer here, 30 degrees, 9 plus 21. That's the whole lesson. I hope you understood it. And if you have questions, let me know.